The gates that stand between the mortal worlds and immortal realms of chaos lie open before us. That we will die having glimpsed eternity is better than never having stirred from the cold furrow of a mortal life. We embrace death without regret, as we embrace life without fear.
Zhufor the Impaler serves as the Chaos Lord of the Skulltakers during the era Indomitus. Formerly known as Balzac, while serving as a sergeant of the Stormlord's chapter prior to his fall to Chaos, this hulking space marine benefited from immense physical bulk. Severely wounded during the sacking of Paramar, fighting a warband of the World Eaters Legion, following his capture by the traitors, Balzac endured torture of the mind and body, including psychocorrective surgeries which altered his brainwave patterns. Eroding his faith in the Emperor and allegiance to the Imperium, the being known as Zhufor towered over the World Eaters as a psychotic abomination wrought from their malice. Abandoning his former life as his rampages fighting beside the World Eaters gave rise to his fell reputation, his epitaph as the Impaler would see him rise to the rank of a Skull Champion of Khorne until his ascension as an exalted champion. His unbelievable strength and savagery gaining the notice of the Blood God, Zhufor orchestrated a bold attack on the Skulltakers' warband, leading to their subjugation and assimilation into his own band of warriors, claiming the immense Skulltaker chain axe as a badge of office. Earning his stature as the Chaos Lord of the Skulltakers henceforth, Zhufor allied with Abaddon the Despoiler in order to gain political and material support, transcending from mere raiders to a formidable army whose bloodshed would please Khorne. Slaying the Dark Apostle of the Wordbearers, Demnos, during the Skafak War, Zhufor would claim his foe's power fist, the Claw of Demnos, favoring its ancient combi bolter, fitted to its already gruesome design. Exchanging acts of bloodshed for access to Abaddon's immense armories, as the Skulltakers continued to earn glory in the name of the Blood God, Abaddon would demand their deployment to conquer a valuable armory world of the Imperium. Aiding the Chaos forces stationed upon the world of Rax Prime, the Skulltakers roamed the surface of the planet, pillaging spoils from all who fell to their chain axes. Usurping the apostate Cardinal Zathan as loyalist forces began to turn the tide of the siege of Rax, Zhufor began to transform the planet into a demon world of Khorne, uniting all Khornate warbands which roamed its surface. Assaulting the Cardinal's palace alongside his elite Terminator bodyguards, known as the Blood Cult, Zathan's garrison fell to ruin as the Chaos Lord offered the Cardinal to the sanctified warband, proclaiming himself the ruler of Rax. Always fighting within the most dangerous engagements, the Butcher of Rax slew Commissar General Moore of the Death Corps of Krieg 143rd Regiment, mounting his head upon his gore-drenched panoply. Surrounded on all sides as the campaign drew to a close, Zhufor, content with over a decade of bloodshed in the name of the Blood God, withdrew from the campaign, his standing as a trusted lieutenant of the Despoiler leading to 4 failed attempts by the Officio Assassinorum to bring him to justice. Roaming the stars aboard his flagship cruiser, the Blood Dawn, for many years, until once more deploying the Skulltakers to active war zones. Their wrath would be felt during the 13th Black Crusade, until once more escaping into the void. The carnage wrought by the Impaler, harrying the Imperium to this day, to end the reign of this Khornate giant, would be to relieve the galaxy of among its most terrible blights.